Hey YouTube, it's Junie978 here. So some of you might remember that I built a lightsaber years ago, and I'm actually going to be building the next one soon. And right here I got a couple of the parts I'm going to be using. So this is the start of the chassis. I still got to get some other parts. This is just some, a sled for the battery and soundboard and speaker that I got from Etsy. Now, this is actually designed for the Saberforge parts, but I'm actually going to be using parts from TCSS. Now, the reason I got these specifically is because they're thin. They'll fit inside of the ribbed extensions from the TCSS, which is what I'm going to use for the grip part. It's going to be one of the deep ribbed extensions. So this will fit inside of that perfectly. And this little piece right here is a piece I designed on my computer, and I had shapeways printed out for me. This is the crystal chamber. So this is designed to fit one of the Illumicore crystals that I have right here, sold by the TCSS, the Custom Saber Shop. Pixel. It's a single pixel in a resin crystal. Yeah, so that'll slide right in the middle there. And of course, you got your two holes for your threaded rods. So it'll slide on there. And you got this larger hole right here, which is actually for the wires to pass through to keep them hidden. So I designed this on SketchUp, and that shape was printed out, and it actually came out pretty nice. I had actually made the holes a little too small, so I had to drill those out. I have a hand drill that I use for RCs and stuff that I used to drill out both the holes for the rods and the center hole for the crystal. And yeah, so stay tuned for some more updates on this next lightsaber. I'm actually going to be using a Golden Harvest V3 soundboard with this one. 2-switch setup. I'm also going to be using a USB Type-C recharge and data port. So I can plug it into the computer via the USB Type-C to make any adjustments to the settings on the board without having to take the SD card out, and it'll also charge it. So yeah, stay tuned.